Alright, for this video I'm going to be showing you how to figure out how many factors any number has. Okay, so when you want to find like the factors of a number, for example like 10, we usually learn to just list them out, right? 1, 2, 5, 10, or like we can even make a little tree where 1 goes with 10, 2 goes with 5, and then we can say there are 4 factors for 10. But are we really going to be standing there listing all the numbers if the number is big, like 600? So the faster way to figure out factors is actually to prime factorize any number, and then there's a trick I will be showing you. So take for example, a number like 40. So we want to prime factorize it. So let's do take out 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So the prime factorization of 40 is 2 cubed times 5. So what you have to do after that is take these exponents, 3, and this is actually a 1 here because even though it's not there, and add 1 to each of these. And then multiply them together. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And that 8 is actually your total factors. We can check this by proving to you by just listing them out. 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 5 and 8. Oh, I forgot 4 and 10. There you go. Those are the 8 factors of 40. Now, we can do this for any number, which makes it so much easier to figure out how many factors any big number has. Let's go back to 600 here. Let's prime factorize 2, 300, 2, 150, 2, 75, 3, 25, 5, 5. So the prime factorization of 600 is 2 cubed times 3 times 5 squared. So how would we figure out how many factors 600 has? Add 1 to each of these. Add 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times, times 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 24. So 600 has 24 factors. So this makes it easier for when you're solving any problems where it asks you how to figure out the factors of any large number, or even any small numbers, because it's so much easier to just figure things out when you don't have to just list them all. Listing, you can make a mistake. Prime factorizing and adding is much simpler and it takes less time, so it will help you during fast competitions such as Mathcounts. So to finish off, let's just actually do one bigger number as a final problem. Okay, so how many factors does, let's say, 1400 have? Okay, let's prime factorize. 700 to 350 to 175, 5, 35, 5, 7. So the prime factorization is 2 cubed times 5 squared times 7. Alright, now what do? We add 1 to each of these and multiply. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and 1 plus 1, because this is actually a 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 times 2, which is equal to 24, which is the same as 600. So 1400 has 24 factors. This is a useful trick that you can figure out how to use in competitions like Mathcounts or AMC, and it really helps you figure out factors very quickly without having to go through the hassle of listing them. Alright, thank you.